This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Brenda Lavin. Move-in ready CBS 3/2/2 home. Tiled floors in living areas and baths recently had grout color sealed and look like new. Screened porch has sliding glass windows for added living space. Home is set up for Generac whole house generator with buried propane tank, owned, and automatic transfer panel. Generator present, not working. Huge backyard. Centrally located, only a few blocks from Crosstown Pkwy with easy access 1 to 95, shopping and dining. For more information, review the details below or contact Brenda Lavin at 772-530-9515.